some really good manifestation stuff is happening. So listen to this. So a woman from Greece contacts me and she says she has a villa which would be fantastic as a retreat place. And if I could help her get yoga teachers and other people in there, and I'm like, okay, let's take this as a higher synchronicity. Let's take this as a metaphysical connection. And I was like, okay. And then I was like, I think I could open up a section on our camp where this kind of stuff could be listed. And then I was like, why not make our camp a spiritual social network as well? There you go. So, within days, maybe even today, if everything goes right, I will launch our camp as a spiritual social network. And there's another reason for it. Because I've been now a few weeks on Facebook, I think 3 weeks, about 2 to 3 weeks. And the narcissism, the toxic metaframing, the unpleasant people in these groups is off the charts. And I think we do really have a little bit of a polarization of society where we have like the people who are trying to grow and who are trying to become super conscious, and the other people who are just toxic. And I said this many times, narcissists do not have the frequency to self-reflect. They will not grow within this incarnation. Narcissists do not have the frequency which is necessary for spiritual self-reflect. So, okay, there's a lot of stuff happening. I'm almost like too excited. So, today I'm going to launch registration on our camp for people to create profiles. And with that, they can list whatever they want. And they can list, and I will add a section where you can also list retreat places and events and stuff. Now, if you have any kind of feature request for this spiritual social network with all these features, let me know, okay? And I'll just build it in. Now, what people that are on this channel don't know yet, that I before. Okay, it's going to get complicated, but let's just say I can launch this type of stuff really quickly, okay? So look out for it. I'm going to launch it today. If everything goes well, it depends a little bit also on how much electricity I have. And I'm just way too excited. I'm just like, she will be the first location. She will have the first location that will be listed for yoga teachers to book if they want. And yeah, it's going to be so exciting. It's going to be super exciting, like really. And I see that as like a higher synchronicity. So maybe my manifesting thing's already working. Who knows? So it's going to be super exciting. Did I say exciting again? Excited is also a form of higher state, but it must not be confused with joy. Because joy is kind of like this relaxed kind of, and excitement is a little bit sympathetic nervous system. You can easily overclock it. But I'm just way too excited. I'm nervous. It's funny, I'm nervous. Why am I nervous? There's no need to be nervous. No, it's so our camp is not only going to be the YouTube, the podcasts, the spiritual camping place. It's also going to be now a spiritual social network, and we will see how we can develop it so it does make sense. So it's not just a copycat or something else. It should be the manifesto behind our camp is always the same. Raise one person's frequency per day, even if it's just one person, and that's already worth it. And that keeps things level-headed, and there's no like, oh my god, why are we not growing enough? We need money to, to grow this, blah blah blah. No. It can be super small. There is no desire to make it super huge or something. It's just the idea is raise one person's frequency per day, and that's already enough. And super exciting, super exciting. So I should definitely also add events immediately to it. And oh yes, and please, one tiny request. If you register, and I'm gonna make the button super prominent, invite all your friends. Let's make this grow. Because some of these things, like events, only make sense if a lot of people start using it. Otherwise, we'll just have one event per year in there, and nobody will read it. Okay. So, spiritual social network. I like this. I like this a lot. Who likes it? If you like it, let me know. If you like it, let me know. Okay. So that's a high frequency. Even acting on that excitement, according to Bashar, is high frequency. So, and by the way, without going into detail, I'm learning to let go of older frequencies, like the example I gave with the 200 hertz. I'm learning to let go of that. And you know what's interesting? I posted a TikTok, which I believed to be the highest frequency, and it instantly got like 30 likes. Unfortunately, nobody followed, but it gets like 30 likes of 30 different people that were like resonating with it. And thereby, I came to a secret on how to post TikTok videos that might go viral. I'll talk about it. And yeah. Sometimes my nervous system, if I get too excited, gets tired. You know what I mean? Because I think it triggers my root chakra, and then it tires my energy system. I think I would have to look at it. Super interesting. I'll definitely take an afternoon nap. That's a good thing. No stress. Okay. Anything else? Retreat. Ourcamp.com. Oh yeah, and I'll definitely launch also a mobile app with it. I already have everything set up to do this. Should be no problem. I will not try to compete, so we'll figure it out. We meaning me. We meaning me. Me. There's something funny. So I'm now in Marbella, and driving down Tarifa, and you're gonna laugh about this. I just did this for fun. So I put in Marbella in my Tinder. And don't laugh about me using Tinder. Anyway, I never have dates on Tinder anyway, but somehow I'm stuck with it. So, and I was just, I knew what was going to happen. I was like, no. It's like the kingdom of the Ukrainian gold diggers, apart from Dubai. So, yeah. So, yes, our camp is going to be a spiritual network. I'm going to do the sign up, the login today, and the ability to edit profiles and add the kind of retreat centers if people have them, to post them, and the invite button. I'm going to add the invite button, which is super important. Let's just do that, and then we'll see.